How does the digital thread work in defense? In today's digitally enabled world, almost everything we do generates data. Each step of translating an idea into a physical product generates strands of valuable digital information. Collectively, these strands are known as a digital thread. This thread is a single library of digital assets and data, stretching from initial design to finished product. In complex projects involving many organizations, it can be accessed by anyone involved at any point in the chain. This enables greater collaboration and helps each participating organization to deliver an end result that performs to expectations and beyond. The result is a better product, delivered in less time and at a lower cost. In commercial manufacturing, the use of a digital thread is fast becoming established practice. How can this same thinking be applied to the defense sector? Let's take the example of a new air combat platform. While scale and complexity may differ significantly from commercial projects, the principles remain the same. At each stage of conceptualization, design and testing, various models and datasets are produced in numerous iterations. A digital thread speeds up the development of these assets, combining them into a single source of truth about all the project's component parts at any point. This makes it easier to design the platform as a whole, taking every element into account and identifying potential issues before they become expensive and time-consuming. It also allows multiple organizations to operate as a virtual team, working concurrently and at a faster pace, despite the complexity of many interdependent elements maturing at different rates. In the manufacturing stage of a project, the prior use of the digital thread ensures the faithful translation of the final design into a tangible aircraft. At this stage, detailed data captured within the thread can be used to create a digital twin, a virtual representation of the aircraft unique to that specific production unit. The digital twin can be used to interpret operational data from the live aircraft and model the impact of any changes in near real time without affecting performance or safety. Not only does this mean pilots can receive alerts to possible issues in flight, but it also allows the aircraft to receive uploads during live missions, improving performance, optimizing mission capability, and maximizing combat effectiveness when it matters most. On return to base, individually tailored, pre-provisioned maintenance and upgrade work, based on data captured from the aircraft in real time, can then be undertaken immediately, cutting turnaround times. Currently, the effectiveness of a digital thread in the defense sector is held back by commercial sensitivities, the logistics of controlling data distribution, and the wealth of different digital architectures and software tools. The solution is to utilize new technologies and form a common digital environment for the defense sector for digital thread operation. This would enable safe and open interaction with disparate digital assets and data, whilst allowing their respective owners to retain control. If implemented, the use of a digital thread has the power to transform the defense equipment lifecycle for customers and suppliers. By creating a safe and secure way for organizations to work with and contribute to a single repository of digital data, the processes involved in bringing a defense capability to life can be delivered faster, cheaper, and with greater assurance.